Halloween isn't only about jump scares and cobwebs, it can also be breathtakingly beautiful. Gothic decor blends mystery, drama, and elegance into one haunting aesthetic. Think candlelight, velvet, and dark romantic charm. Today, we're exploring Gothic Halloween decor ideas that transform any space into a scene worthy of an old haunted mansion, timeless, moody, and mesmerizing. We'll break the look into three core elements: the color palette and lighting, the furniture and textures, and finally, the details that bring your Gothic vision to life. Whether your space is large or small, these ideas will fill it with dramatic character and haunting beauty. Every Gothic-inspired space begins with atmosphere. Focus on deep, moody tones, blacks, burgundies, forest greens, and rich purples. These colors create the foundation for that dramatic, old-world look. Lighting plays the biggest role in setting the mood. Use soft golden glows from candles, sconces, or string lights. Shadows and flickers are what make Gothic decor feel alive, like something from another century. What color do you think defines Gothic Halloween decor best? Black, red, or gold? Share your favorite in the comments and see which mood rules this season. Gothic design is all about contrast, soft fabrics against hard materials, delicate details paired with dark strength. Think velvet, lace, and wrought iron. These elements together create that perfect balance of elegance and eeriness. Don't be afraid of layering. Mix fabrics and surfaces for richness. Add a mirror with a distressed frame, or drape a throw with tassels or fringe. The more depth and drama, the more authentic your Gothic Halloween atmosphere feels.
If these Gothic Halloween decor ideas gave you chills in the best way, be sure to like this video and share it with friends who love dark and dramatic style.
The smallest details complete the story. Think of your space as a Gothic novel. Every object should feel like it belongs to a mysterious tale. Add aged books, antique keys, ravens, or skull accents for subtle storytelling. don't forget nature. Dried flowers, branches, and deep red roses bring life and decay together beautifully. Gothic decor is as much about emotion as it is about design. It tells a story of beauty, mystery, and time.
For more hauntingly beautiful Halloween inspiration and creative home styling ideas, make sure to subscribe and join us for the next spooky video.
Conclusion and outro, 8 to 9. Voiceover. And there you have it, a Gothic Halloween decor style that's haunting yet refined, eerie yet elegant. It's about more than just darkness, it's about the drama, the romance, and the art of storytelling through design. With the right mix of light, texture, and atmosphere, your home can feel like a living, breathing Gothic dream. So this Halloween, let your decor whisper secrets, cast shadows, and glow with timeless beauty. Because in the world of Gothic design, darkness is where elegance truly comes alive.